Hey everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am playing with the Hey Boo kit from Color Rush Studio. And I'm starting now. I did a bunch of fussy cutting. I don't know if you see that over there in the pile to the left. And I thought I was going to use this picture. I decide to go in and grab a different picture, which is what I am doing right now. But I had already did a bunch of fussy cutting. I'm trying to figure out what picture I'm going to use right now. But I did like a little photo shoot with my kids. It wasn't like that wasn't the main intention. We actually went hiking and we took these sheets and sunglasses and a couple other things with us. And we'd seen all these pictures on Pinterest of these little ghosties. And so, yeah, we did that. And it was fun though. And the fact that this kit has so many cute little ghosts in it, awesome. Anyways, I went with this picture instead. It's a smaller picture of my girls with their little ghost outfits on, peeking out from around a tree. I had cut a few things out with, on my Sizzix, just some kind of like doily-ish looking things since I had fussy cut a bunch of this other stuff out. Honestly, I sit and fussy cut when I am not in the mood to craft, but I want to be doing something. I get frustrated with what I was doing there and I kind of just tossed it to the side. But I'm just trying to lay things where I think they might go or where I like them. I want my Hey Boo there. That's my title. I just thought it was too cute for the pictures of these guys. And these are all these little frames are from a sheet of paper in the kit. And I just fussy cut them out and thought it'd be, just kind of fun to have them layered here. All those ghosts in there, perfect for the pictures that I have. And so I added a couple other ones in. I think maybe not. Nope, I didn't on this one. Never mind, just kidding. I'm going to start adhering things down right now. I don't even have that spiderweb paper adhered down. I'm just going to adhere a few of these things down right now, rough up the edges, and go ahead and put them down. And then here in a minute, I'm going to grab my phone and take a picture of it because I am going to smooth pull every bit of this off of there. There it goes. And I'm going to sit my phone to the side and just pull everything off. I'm going to go ahead and rough this up over my trash can off to the side. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the adhesive down on this. Yeah, I do. I really love this and it's so cool. I mean, my boys aren't really into Halloween anymore. They're older. They don't really care. And the fact that this is all cutesy and pink and adorable little ghosts and stuff, I loved it. I went ahead and grabbed some of the frazzles and ribbons. I'm going to use this, this came from an ephemera pack here in, that we got, and I actually still have some of the labels, but I had popped them out. So I went ahead and used that just as a layering bit to have that cute little metallic in the background. I put some adhesive to the side, on top of the spiderweb paper and stuck that black and white striped one down. I like the contrast. I think it's cute. And then I went back just to adding everything where I had previously had it. I went ahead and popped the photo up on some 3D foam. I'm going to stick this down and hold it for a second. I think I might go back and push it down again. It's just over the edge of that fabric. And so I just want to make sure it holds down well. Putting some glue on this piece and making sure it goes under as well. And I'm going to go ahead and glue my photo down because after I do that, I really just got to grab these little bits from over here. I'm going to glue, I thought I was going to glue my title down first. I decided against it. I went ahead and added a couple more of these pieces, holding that one down a little longer because it is on top of that fabric. Adding the glue behind this adorable, it's pink too, just so you know. It's pink mirrored acrylic there, and it's just so stinking cute. I went ahead and adhered that down. Here I'm adding the other two acrylic ghosties that I had left. This one's too cute. It's got a ghost with it, like a flower crown. I'm trying to find, getting a drink of my coffee like normal. I thought I was going to put gold splatters, and then I was like, hey, I'm going to use these black ones. And it's cute because it's like in a nail polish bottle and everything. But I thought that would be too cute. So I went ahead and added those splatters, and that finished this layout. I really hope that you enjoy this. I had a blast making it. This kit is adorable. Make sure to check out the links below. Grab your kit if there's still any left. And come join the Facebook group. We'd love to see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.